the musician, King So, the state of California, the Haitian rapper Haiti, the state of California, the state of California lie when I cold, here when I cold, when I cold, when I go. I'm summoning in the hymns, here I go. In the cold black gold, ghosts in the black Holy Ghost, I wanna hymn you in Psalms. Hymn you all the words in my voice, in my words, in my songs when I go and I note you. The instruments when I focus, I like to focus in the instruments when I hymn. Any type of gold ghost words when I hymn in the words that psalm. Say it every day. Thinking about the Haitian rapper king anyway, any type of day, any type of way. When I hymn you in the instruments, any type of way, any type of day. The black Holy Ghost, I melela, pulepu basila. The black Holy Ghost, the gold ghost, the words of the instruments. I like the psalm you in. Anything about the instruments, I like to speech it la, to lease you la, reese you la, and give you freedom, wees you la, peace you la. I give you freedom and peace sla. Supubu sumuswa, lepute la pota la suta. The state of California, yes, I like to gold, ghost you in the words, I like to hymn